Okay, so this is our second part where we're going to change the speed of the voice. We're going to change the volume of the voice and also the gender, the one who is speaking. So we change the voice to female or male, and then the volume and that of the speed. So let's go in by adding some small features to this simple app to make it more enhanced and user friendly. So let's pick let's first pick a track bar. This is a track bar. So let me put it here. So this track bar, let me change it to orientation to vertical. Yeah, nice one. So vertical. You bring it small, close it small. The same, you have to duplicate it. So either you copy, then same form you paste to get a double where this one also be our speed. So this will be our volume and this one will be our speed. So let's give it a label to identify it. So let's say label, another label to, and let's change the fore color to white, and then the font size to be 12. Okay, so the name of the is the volume. That of this one is also the speed. Okay, so this being the speed, this being the volume. And then let's introduce a checkbox, or let's use a combo box so that we can change the voice to male or female. So this be a combo box, small one instead. So click on here, add items, then specify male, female. It's okay. Then to add to the items over there. So first of all, let's give a text to be male. So male will be in as default. So immediately you change it, then you hit this one to change the voice. Okay, so you give it to be maybe 10, right? 10 will be okay. Yes. So now that we have this one, let's give this one a name and this one to a name because that's the controls that we have added to it. So this being the track bar, we add a track bar one underscore volume, and then the track bar 2 underscore speed. And also this being our combo box, so a combo box underscore gender. Okay. Now let's set the value, the minimum values and the maximum values of this trackboard. Because it's either you go by 100% or you go by any figure that you want. So you can select both by holding on the control key, then you click on the other one too. So you select both. So let's give a minimum to be 10, and then minimum to be minus 10. So 10 to minus 10. Then let's set the value to be 0. So it will be the middle between 10 and minus 10. Okay. So now that we have this one too, let's quickly get the value of this volume and that of it. So let's hit on the speed. So because the speed is what controls this. So on the speed, let's comment the second part. Let's comment this. So when you're using this one, because of this drag by and that of this, we are not going to use tab. Yeah, we are not going to use tab. But we're going to use the system speed. So the system is that's what you're going to use. The speech on the system. So let's first import. I have to first import the speech where we get the speech from. So say import system import system dot speech import system dot speech. What is it? Dot sentences. So let's go by saying that after the import, then we go by saying so we go by saying let's say game speech as system as speech then so here we have an error here that the speech synthesizer wasn't declared. It's not found, it's not defined. So let me give it new. See, story is not defined. So here, what you are supposed to do is click on your solution explorer, then find your reference, check if you have system.speech, because that's what we imported. Alright, so if not, you go to reference, then add reference. Then we'll go to the add reference, you search for system.speech. System.speech, then you hit OK. So let's wait for it to add up to the reference.